hello there. I didn't see you. I'm Christian Randrup, and I'm gonna be showing you my farm today.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue, like him, inside and outside.
Christian Randrup has been farming for over 45 years. Today, he'll be sharing a few tips on how to keep a tidy farm.
Step 1. You don't want your grass over 7 centimeters. There's not as much nutrients in it, but it makes good salad. Follow me and I'll teach you how to farm good cows. These are my cows. My cows are beautiful. Big, strong, fat. You're gonna make some good meat. These ones are really big. This one is a bull. Oh, shut up! This one is a bull. Its balls haven't been chopped off. All of these ones though have all been bulls, but their balls got chopped off. Okay. Give a call there. If you want to look like a good farmer, oh shut up! If you want to look like a good farmer, when a car drives past, you always put your leg up on something. It makes you look a lot more manly. When you're a farmer, no fences can hold you. This one's a bit slippery. No, record it! When you're a farmer, no fence can hold you. These wires here are electric to keep the cows out. So you don't want to touch them. They're really annoying if you put your hands on them. Just like you do. I've got some business to attend to, so can you leave your camera out here, please? Die, you beast! Get your camera out of here! This one's coming now. You just can't follow me. To my secret person's room. And away I go. Spiderweb! Can you grab me something small so I can clear all the spiderwebs out? Please? Stop it! You may have seen a tractor go past. That was old man Jefferson. He steals my farms. He said he doesn't, but he does. I'm just going to take a lunch break. I don't want the cameraman going around recording me.
Well, it's good publicity. We're going to be on TV.
They're showing all the bad stuff.
I can't be bothered arguing with you, Chinny.
Don't you walk away from me.
I can't be bothered arguing with you.
Get back here, buddy.
No, I'm not.
Don't you point at me.
Chinny.
Don't you point at me. Wait, are you still recording about it? Go away. Go away, we don't like you here. Go back to your city life. Go. lot of attention. Hope you subscribe, put the subscribe button and all that.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world.